Welcome back to KCTV English News. I'm Angel Kim. Jeju Island's 59th COVID-19 patient has been confirmed. The province confirmed that a patient with a history of overseas visits has been confirmed with COVID-19 at 7:30 p.m. on the 23rd. The patient returned to Korea from a trip to the United States with the province's 49th patient, who is a family member that tested positive upon arrival and has been in self-quarantine since September 8th. Patient number 59 initially tested negative at Jeju Airport's walk-through screening center, but later confirmed positive after a follow-up test was taken on the 23rd, which was during the self-quarantine period. The patient is currently undergoing isolation treatment. Jeju Island expects that there will be no other contacts or movement points as the individual has maintained self-quarantine regulations. The province is ramping up efforts for infection prevention and control as some 300,000 people are expected to visit the island during the Chuseok holidays. Administrative measures have been issued that includes mandatory mask wearing for all tourists. Violators will face criminal penalties and will not be compensated by the government in the case of a COVID-19 infection. Mike Laidman reports.
Nearly 300,000 visitors are expected in Jeju over the Chuseok holiday, as many on the mainland are choosing the island as their preferred holiday destination. In anticipation, the province has tightened up their infection prevention and control efforts. Jeju province has issued an administrative measure, making wearing masks mandatory for all those people entering the island from September 26th through to October 4th. Violators will face fines of up to 3 million won. Those arriving at the island who are found to have a temperature of 37.5 degrees or higher will be tested and then isolated at either a designated quarantine facility or pre-reserved guest houses. Alongside the potential fines, the province will require that violators cover their own diagnosis and quarantine costs. The same will apply to someone making a false statement if they know they are infected. Also, the range of areas where wearing masks is mandatory will be expanded. 11 more business categories, including ferries and pharmacies, will be added to the list of areas where the province has instituted a mandatory mask-wearing policy. There are already 48 business types on the list, covering everything from wedding halls to traditional markets. Admission at spas and bathhouses will be controlled through body temperature checks. Visitors will also be required to register at these facilities. Those who refuse to have their temperature taken or give their personal information, such as a phone number, will face potential repercussions. The Jeju Municipal Police will send 100 police officers to 50 vulnerable facilities, including guest houses, bars, and bowling alleys, to make sure that they are all following quarantine measures over the holiday. Meanwhile, the island's hospitals, public health centers, and coronavirus testing facilities will still be providing their medical services over the Chuseok holiday to deal with the COVID-19 situation. Mike Laidman, KCTV.
Thank you for joining us today at KCTV English News. Please follow us on YouTube at KCTV E! News Jeju and on KCTV's VOD service. Have a great evening.